Good evening, meteorologist Caleb Seaver here with a look at your forecast, where we'll start things off with your weather headlines. Got a beautiful day in store tomorrow across the Tennessee Valley. Some rain and storms on the way Monday night into Tuesday, as well as an early look at your Thanksgiving forecast. We'll start things off with the temperatures where we're in the mid to upper 40s across the area right now. Scottsboro, you're at 47. Huntsville, you're at 46. Decatur, you're a warm spot at 51. 46 for you in Moulton and Russellville. 48 for you over in Red Bay. As we start the morning tomorrow, beware these cooler temperatures are going to be sticking with us. You might want a light jacket as you're headed out to the bus stop or headed off to work, as we'll start the day around 47 degrees before warming into the mid to upper 60s by the late morning hours. We'll see mostly sunny skies tomorrow, which will allow us to warm up a little further into the afternoon, into the lower 70s, well above where we normally are this time of year. As we look at Huntsville, 71 degrees tomorrow, 72 for you in Decatur and Coleman, 70 for you over in Russellville and Red Bay. Be sure to get outside and enjoy these warm, dry conditions throughout the day on Monday, as by the time we get to Monday night, we'll see things really begin to change. Look at here at Future View. Here we are at 6 p.m. You see a big area of rain and storms over places like Nashville, Jackson, Memphis, Tennessee, and this area of rain and storms is going to move off to the south and east and begin affecting some of us as early as late Monday night. Here we are at 11:30 p.m. You see this area of rain and storms moving into places like Florence, Muscle Shoals, Red Bay. And while these storms aren't going to be severe tomorrow night, we will be keeping an eye on them because there are going to be some flooding concerns. We're going to see some heavy rain Monday night into early Tuesday morning. So we look here at 3 a.m., you see heavy round after round of heavy rain over parts of northwest Alabama, and perhaps for you as far east as Huntsville, Athens, Decatur. So we'll be keeping an eye on where this axis exactly sets up. Just be aware there's going to be some very heavy rains of lightning and some thunder. So you may get woken up overnight Monday into Tuesday by some of these showers and thunderstorms. By the time we get into the late to mid-morning hours, we will say things start to dry up by early Tuesday morning. Here we are at 10 a.m. You see most of the area dry, but additional showers and storms forming off to our west over parts of North Mississippi. These showers and storms we see Tuesday afternoon have the potential to be on the stronger side. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has placed the entire area in a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. That includes you in Huntsville, Decatur, Hartselle, Florence, Russellville. So just be aware some of those storms tomorrow Tuesday could pack a punch with some small hail, isolated gusty winds, and maybe even a tornado or two. So let's talk about when and where you're going to see those storms Tuesday afternoon. So again, here we are, Tuesday, 6 a.m. You see that area of rain and storms off to our north and west. And as we go throughout the day, we see these showers and storms begin to move into parts of northwest Alabama. Here we are at noon. Storms in places like Huntsville, Florence, Tupelo. And don't pay too much attention to exactly where they are. Just know there will be some showers and thunderstorms going on into the early afternoon hours. And by the time we head into the evening hours, these storms continuing, progressing through the area throughout the day. And 6 p.m., still seeing storms places like Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Decatur, down into Arab and Gunnersville, as well as far south as into Birmingham, parts of central Alabama as well. These storms will move past us by the time we get to Tuesday night and early morning Wednesday, leaving us with a dry, much cooler Wednesday afternoon. How much cooler are we going to get? Well, look at these low temperatures. We're going to be at 59 as our low temperature Tuesday morning, which is 20 degrees above where we normally are. It's going to be a very warm morning for late November. You may have noticed that over the past few days, but look here at Thursday into Friday. We'll see low temperatures dropping down right around freezing. That's about where we should be, but it's going to be a big shock to our system after these warm days we've been experiencing lately, especially Friday morning. We're going to be down in the 20s. So if you're headed out to go do some Black Friday shopping, just know it's going to be a very cold one this year. As for Thanksgiving, it's going to be a pretty cool one as well, but we will warm up to around 50 degrees. High temperature, 49 on Thanksgiving, mostly clear skies, winds relatively calm. Weather will be uneventful for your Thanksgiving Thursday. So at least that is some good news on this forecast, even though it is going to be cooling down a good bit into late next week. Taking a look at your forecast, we'll see a 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, and maybe some stronger storms, maybe even a little bit of flooding, especially in parts of northwest Alabama. So please stay weather aware Tuesday afternoon, as you're going to want to check back with updates throughout the day tomorrow. Looking at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll cool down to around 50 degrees. Low temperatures back down to around freezing before coming back up in the early part of next weekend, which we see rain chances return Sunday into Monday.